and gentlemen, we're back at it. We're back at it. I don't know what we're gonna do today. We're gonna self-quarantine, I guess, on the motorcycle. We're gonna go over some stuff today. Hope you guys watch all the video and you will see all the stuff we're gonna go over. Ooh, little squeaky brakes.
This thing looks nice.
Go ride it. Come on. You're a little shorter. You have to tiptoe it. Go.
No, I haven't ridden a bike
Go.
ever.
Come on. So, I hope you guys are all being safe out there. This shit is getting kind of like a little bit cray-cray. I don't really know what's happening in the world right now, but we're all in this in the same boat. That's all I can say. It's kind of screwed up right now. Got the 450 out today. It's like 44 degrees, I think, maybe 47. Just trying to enjoy it. Got a hoodie on. Got another bike, yeah. Attaboy. Whee. I don't know who that guy was. That was pretty dope though. I did the awkward left-hand one. I should have pulled the clutch in, but it's all right. Fist bumps, right? Social distancing, full fist bumps. He's got a Bluetooth. I know he's trying to connect, but mine's dead. Masina. He knows what's up. Yeah. I gotta get exhaust on this beast. We're just out chilling today, ladies and gents. Probably more gents than ladies, but the Chevy Bolt. I would totally run this Harley in a race on this 450. 100%. On the old Ducati, I don't think he'd stand a chance. That thing's probably like 80 horsepower, and I think my bike is 190-ish horsepower. 195 maybe, I'm not sure, somewhere right in that range. That thing probably weighs like 800 pounds and my bike weighs 400. What?
What is this thing?
I bought it last year. It didn't look like this though. Yee-yee. Fuck no, I work on commission. I'll be selling feet pictures pretty soon on OnlyFans. Bailey will sign up for that shit.
Bailey, you gonna start buying his feet pictures?
I work off commission, bro, and I'm not making money at work.
He needs you to buy feet pictures.
Fuck, they're beautiful. Little dry skin. Hey, people like that shit. OnlyFans, 18 bucks a month, you can see my feet.
Yeah, 18 bucks a month.
Yeah.
I can pay strictly $1 to show me your ass.
Bailey, it's my feet. They're fucking beautiful. Yeah, I'll give it about another month. I'll let you guys know what my OnlyFans is. I'll see you guys later.
See you, buddy.
What? The fuck? Dude, that thing's louder than shit. Guess I don't have to worry about being stopped. Holy Christ, this thing's fucking loud. Oh, plug your ears. Rest in peace, headphone users. Alright, you guys, so the important topic is today, I want to do like a two-stroke dirt bike or a sport bike or something, and I'm going to do what's called a Waffle, W-A-F-F-L-E, and ultimately there'd be like 100 photos, pictures of a dirt bike for sale, and you guys would all purchase them. And they might be 50 bucks a photo, and then at the end of it I would do a drawing for like a thank you gift at the end of it, and whoever had that number, it would be off of random.org. It's like a random number generator, and all your spots, you could pick them from 1 to 100. Basically, whoever landed on that number would get a very realistic piece of merchandise, aka dirt bike. So call it what you want, but that's something I might do here in the very near future. We'll see what happens, but you guys can leave me a comment below, tell me what you think. Ew. Alright, you guys, that's it. Today's short little vlog, just kind of random shit all over the place, but I love you guys, and be safe out there, for real. The world is literally going insane, so just be safe. I will talk to you guys on the next video. All right, peace.